Hi, good farmers. We are transplanting good onions here in the coastal region, Mwatate, near Voi. This is Taita Taveta. The process is very engaging. It's a good thing to learn from the arts of agriculture. Every step counts, every seed counts. You have to have skilled labor, you have to have good water, you have to have good laborers who understand the process completely. Once you do that, you'll be able to farm and farm well and obtain the required population. Keep learning. This is Cape Farmer. Subscribe and keep learning. Thank you.